Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chinny's Glam World, and on today's episode of Looking Good, I'm going to be taking you on a no makeup look. Yes, no makeup look. That means you're wearing makeup, but it seems like you're not wearing makeup. So stay clear and watch me get all glammed up. So stay glued. Let's get started. I'm going to first of all take my baby wipe. I'm just going to use it to wipe all over my face. Just for this, just a very cool, like you're going to work, you don't want to do too much, so this is your good to go makeup that you need to achieve for that event or for school, for work. Like you're going to work very early in the morning, so this is the makeup that you can just do. This is a no makeup look, so stay glued while we achieve this look. So I'm going to be using this Blossom makeup skincare. This is a blemish treatment serum. So this is what I'm going to be using for my face, since I'm doing a no makeup look. So I'm going to be using this from Blossom Cosmetics. This is a Nigerian brand. I'm going to be using this on my face before I go in with the foundation, because I'm not going to be using just globally. You're going to see what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to use this and apply it on the area on my whole face, since it acts as a blemish treatment. At the back of my hand, since it's dropping. Since I'm using the mirror, I'm holding the mirror, so I'm just going to pat it all over my face. So when I'm done rubbing it all over my face, I'm just going to allow it to dry. Before I go in with another product. So the more I scrub it onto the face, the more I press the product into my face, the more it gets dry. Like that is when you don't have a mini fan, you can just use your palm to just make it dry very fast, in a situation whereby you're in a hurry, because you're doing this makeup for work, for school, so you're in a hurry to get it all done. So you're going to make sure that it gets dried up, so you can just use your mini fan to just dry up this product. Okay, so you see that it's all dried up. So I'm going to go in with the next product, which should be the Dr. Rashe sunscreen. Yes, Dr. Rashe sunscreen, since we're doing a no makeup look, so we're not doing too much today. I'm not even going to be using a primer. So I'm going to be using the Dr. Rashe sunscreen, since I'll be, some jobs takes like 9 to 5, some jobs takes 9 to 5, so you don't know how long you're spending at work or at school. Sometimes something comes in between work and school, so you don't want to waste too much time. So we're just going to be using our Dr. Rashe sunscreen. So I'm going to be using it all over my face also. It helps to prevent your skin under the harsh weather. Okay, like in our country that is very harsh, it's very good for you to use a sunscreen always on your face. Okay, it's very good to use a sunscreen all over the face. So in this no makeup look, it's just like when you don't have much product at home. Like at the moment, I don't have much makeup product in the house. All the makeup products I have are in the studio, so I'm just doing a very simple look, because these are the makeup products I have at home, and they are very little in number, just got the ones my hands could lay on. So that's what I'm using for this video. So I'm going to be using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm going to be leaving all products on the description bar, so you'll be able to purchase in case you want to purchase this product. Okay, so when you see that the product I applied on my face are all dried up, I'm going to go in with this foundation on my face. I already applied the foundation at my palm, that's just at the side of my arm, so I'm just going to take a little, just blend into the face. Okay, I don't want the sun rays from the mirror to just actually block what I'm doing, so just watch what I'm doing. So this is a no makeup look. So you see, I'm not going to be applying much foundation. I'm not even actually going to be using a powder, so I won't be applying much foundation on my face. since I'm not going to be using a compact powder, I'm just using only in the foundation, so I wouldn't want my face to look all cakey at the end of everything. So everything is just going to blend. The reason why I'm using my brush is because I'm not going to be applying a compact powder on this look. So that's why I'm using my brush to actually blend in the foundation. So everything just blends in so seamlessly. Okay. Okay, you see how blended that comes out to be. See how the product is blended into the face. So in this way, you won't have to use a compact powder. That is, if you do not have any compact powder, that is not just a regular powder at home, you can just do this and you are good to go. You see how it has blended. You can just extend a little to your neck and you are good to go. After I'm done with that, I'm going to be using my Vaseline. This from Vaseline products, this rosy lips. So I'm just going to use it for my lips, just to get my lips all wet before I go in with the lipstick. So I'm just going to use it. This is my personal product, so I can just use it directly on my lips. Using the Nuban by Juvia, eyeshadow palette. This is the only eyeshadow palette that I have at home, so that's why I'm using this product. Okay, so don't mind me. This is the only product that I have at home. You see how it looks like. See, if you guys can see it. Okay, you can see it from here. Okay, I'm just going to be doing I'm going to be using this gold color. Yeah, this very good color. This gold color. I'm just going to be using my hands. So I don't even have any brushes at home, so I'm just going to be using those things on my eyes. Okay, so I'm just going to be using my mirror to do that. So I won't be talking. I'll just watch me as I do this. So I just touch that part and I just apply it. This is how it looks like. Okay, this is how it looks like. So we're going to go over to do the lips now. So I'm just going to use this regular brush that I have at home to just do some little. I just want to add some glow to the forehead. Okay, just want to add some glow to the forehead. You can do this even when you're not doing a full glam. You can do this when you're not doing just, you can just use your hands to just further dab this in. Just to make my nose glow. You see how it comes out. So this is my flawless Ivy lip palette. This is like this palette is 5 years old, if I'm not mistaken. This is just like my personal palette that I use for myself. So I'm going to be using random nude colors here. I'm going to be showing you random nude colors that I use. This not random nude colors. I'm going to be just using them on my lips. So just watch me as I just apply them. I'm not doing too much. So guys, I'm going to bring this down now so you see. So I'm just going to use my palm to make this black. Okay. And this is it. I think it's better this way. So guys, this is the finished look of our no makeup look. And how long did it take us? It didn't even take us to up to 4 minutes or 5 minutes. So this is your good to go makeup look when you are going to work, to school, to that simple event. How do I look? This is how simple it looks, and this is something you can just achieve in 4 minutes. So guys, let me just brush up my hair so you see. So this is it. Thank you for watching.